how to transfer USDT from Binance to bitget wallet. I will show you how to do that step by step. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first thing, go to Binance and go to the USDT that you want. For me, I am already put the USDT on the funding. Okay, I will click on withdraw. Okay, so I will choose USDT and choose here send via crypto network, the first one. Okay, so right now we need the network address. So right now what I need to do is go to the bitget wallet. Okay, so to the bitget wallet, and I click here on receive, choose USDT. Okay, and I will choose the second one, and here this is the network address of bitget. I will copy and go here, long press here on the address, and I paste the address, and here choose BNB Smart, we choose on the bitget wallet, and here type how much you want to send. Okay, so minimum it's 10 USDT, so type how much you want to send. So type how much, for example 10. Okay, 10. So for me, I can't send the money because I don't have 10 USDT on my account, so just complete what I say. So type here how much you want to send and click withdraw. They will give you a message to see the address of the bitget, etc. Okay, so after that they will send you the USDT from Binance to bitget wallet. And also, for example, maybe they will send you a verification code on your Binance email or number to verify if the owner of the account of Binance who doing the transfer, not another person. Okay, so this is how to transfer USDT from Binance to bitget wallet. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.